Well, hello, kids. Oh boy, getting a message that I'm having trouble with my audio. I'm having a lot of trouble. So, what's today? Monday. Today is Monday, May 2nd, I think. I'm not talking, but how about period D? Yes, it's period D. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's see what we got in store for you. I believe you had one. I believe you had 1 through 17 odd. We'll look at some of those. And then your homework is page 3. Watch this riveting video. You should sit in the calf and do page 6, problems 1 through 10. Find that. It's way back here somewhere. Is this page 5? No, that's page 4. Is this page 5? Yeah, that's page 5. Okay, so 1 through 17 odd. We're not going to go yet. All right, so let's pick and choose. How about number 5? Here's what we got. All right, step 1 is factor all denominators. And on this problem, in an all set. So go to step 2, find the LCD. LCD, if you see it, you need it. That's your LCD. And what do we do to that LCD? We multiply each term by that entire LCD. There. And I'll put it here. Technically, it's the LCD over 1. I'm not going to get hung up over that. All right, draw it, write it right in so you see it. All right, now our next step is to cancel. Here's the fun part. Y minus 5 equals, cancel. I have y plus 1, y minus 2. No more fractions, no more fractions. We just have this. Well, let's just y squared plus y minus 2i minus 2. We have a y squared. That's quadratic. The other. So if I get everything to that side, I'll start subtracting things like y squared, and oh, look, that changes the game plan. It's not quadratic anymore. So now you get y's on one side and constants on the other. I could have combined each side. Negative 4y equals negative 2. I'm going to go with y equals positive 1/2. How about number 15? 15. R plus 3, r minus 1 minus r over r minus 3 equals the big 0, 1. Just like in this problem here, 17, it's 1 over 1. I could make that 0 over 10 if I wanted, but minus 3. So here we go, r minus 1, r minus 3 over 1, r minus 1, r minus 3 over 1. And I should do it here too, but really 0 over there. If it was a 1 like here, then we would have to multiply it. But 0 times anything is 0. Cancel the r minus 1. And we have negative. Cancel the r minus 3, r times r minus 1. I had a little panic. All right, denominator's gone. Let's multiply this out. This is a FOIL, L. Distribute negative r squared plus r equals 0. R squared, negative r squared cancel, 9er. Beautiful. Not too bad at all. Shall we try one more? How about 13? Hey, 13. 13, we got M's. I like M's. Peanut. All right, factoring all done. LCD, we say if we need it, if we see it, we need it. I see an M, and I see an M plus 4. Different animals. Remember, Will? Elephants and giraffes. So you need the separate M in the M plus 4. We only need M1, so the denominator is 1. So that's the LCD. All right, here we go. M plus 4. And here. Okay, it's cancel time. Cancel in red. M plus 4. M plus 4 is cancel. Be careful. I get a negative M minus 11. Put the M in front. I get M minus 11. And over here, the M's cancel. So I have 1 times M plus 4. All right, FOIL 16. Distribute negative M squared plus 11M equals M plus 4. Thought it was going to be quadratic, but the M squared is canceled. M plus 4. And here in our R is algebra 2. Do we really need to keep going? You need to keep going. M equals 2? I think so. Okay, so that's page 5. How about page 6? I don't have that. I got it right here. So let's look at one like on page 6. I'm going to look at one like number 1. No factoring, all monomials. What's the LCD? The LCD for 1, 3, and so I need. I mean, see, technically this is this, right? If you want to get technical about it, kids, and we say, how many 2's do I need? 1. What's the most number 3? So that's why it's 6d squared. So just going to do 6d squared here. For instance, ones that factor, like number 6. Let me see if I wrote that right. Okay, so for the first time we have to factor denominators, and this is 18 adds negative 11. So once we get that, what's our LCD? I need x minus 9 once, I need x minus 2. It's just like what we learned before. So here we go, x minus 9, x minus 2 here, and here, in here. And what can cancel? X minus 9's cancel, so it's 5, x minus 2, 1, beautiful. 1 times x minus 2, and you do your thing from there, okay? As I look at the rest of this, so you look at number 1, you don't have to factor. Number 2, you don't. 3, yes. 4, no. 5, yes. 10, no. It's only about half of them. But let's look at number 5. I'm curious. It's this with the z's. It's a good example of why I make my z's with the line, because we'd be confused between z's and 2's. I hope you're having a good time in the calf, but I just hope you're not whistling, because you know the rule about whistling in school. The factoring here is GCF. Okay, just want to show you that. It's a GCF factoring, so LCD is this. Kids, I think you know how to do page 5. Just showed you how to do page 6. Now you do page 6, and we'll go over page 6, do more review, and then we're going to get ready for yet another test. Virtually, bye-bye.